Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
How you can finance all the costs so there's no cash out of pocket required. How you can consolidate all your debts to one low tax deductible payment. How you can take cash out for any purpose. If you do not make that call at 718-652-6200 and get those facts from the mortgage doctor, well, you know what? Go to the bathroom, close the door, look in the mirror, and complain to yourself.
That's right.
You've lost your right, forfeited your right to complain to other people because you have not done anything to try to change your situation.
Mr. Tony is here. Tony, do you agree with what Scott's saying?
Well, many of our lovely listening audience out there, they have not yet waken up to the call, and we have been pleading to them over and over. This 4.5% does not exist forever. If they want to prey upon a 4.5%, which is a 50-year low in this country, take action immediately. The doctor is here to give my service and to put together a package so that they can smile for the rest of their life, not only 2009, because the payment that I will give you will be such an affordable mortgage payment. When I consolidate all your debts, you will save significantly. When I say significant, you can save from probably $500, probably $3,000, $4,000, depending upon how much credit debt you have out there. Auto loan, school loan, timeshare, second mortgage, all these are debts that they have accumulated. It's a burden. It's such a heavy weight. They're not seeing and they're moving anywhere because it's such a heavy load to carry that they're not moving forward. So, folks, I'm appealing to you. Remember, I speak from my heart, not my lips. I give you the facts, not the hype. I reach out to you to tell you what it is about this mortgage financing industry. First Republic Mortgage Bank has been there for over 13 and a half years as a direct lender, delivering the goods and the services. We do not come and talk something that is not real. We give you what is realistic in this market and tell you to make the call so we can deliver what we are saying. We don't spread propaganda. First Republic Mortgage Bank, first of all, we have built that reputation. We have grown phenomenal because of customer satisfaction. So there is no dispute anything about First Republic Mortgage Bank. We are solid as a rock. And you folks out there who are listening to myself, you're listening to the president at the First Republic Mortgage Bank, we make sure our reputation is not tarnished, because we would not like to tarnish, because we are not one of those lenders that is here for today and not tomorrow. We have been around and we will continue to be around. And in order for us to be around and to stay with a great reputation, we have to deliver what we're saying. And that is all we are appealing to you folks. We can deliver those rates. We can structure loan application. We can save you money. We can put you in your home. We can do all of these things. Why? Because we are a direct lender. From you, the consumer, you come direct to the source. We are the source. We have multiple mortgage programs available. And with experienced, loyal loan officers with great experience, we can put together a package. And in spite of your credit profile, leave that to the professionals. We have the technology and the resources, the know-how, and the capacity to get your score up. So all I'm looking forward for you, that you make that call, and we will make it happen.
And, you know, Tony, you're one of the, one of the loan officers who is using the streamlined refinancing option for people who have FHA mortgages quite a bit. And I really want to touch upon that before we get choked, that people who are listening right now, if you have an FHA mortgage and you call 718-652-6200, speak to Tony, he'll be able to talk to you about streamlining that mortgage. Now, why would you want to streamline that mortgage? There's a lot of advantages. First of all, you can cover all your costs, so there's no cash out of pocket required. No income verification, no asset verification, limited requirements as far as credit score and your credit report. This program is phenomenal for a lot of people who may not be able to show all the documents that were needed maybe in the beginning when they got their loan. And we even have an option, you could talk to Tony about this, for those of you out there who don't want an appraisal to be done. Maybe you owe more than the house is worth. Well, we do have an option where you can go without an appraisal, so no appraisal, no credit report, no asset and no income verification. There is a credit report run. So pick up the phone and speak to Tony about that. And Mona, I want you to look at your email, and I want you to talk to people next hour about that $7,500 tax credit that the government is now giving. It's now law for people to buy homes and I think it's an incredible incentive. So right after immigration, you can talk a little bit about that. Read the article.
Okay.
And, I'll be glad to touch base with you.
Yes, I'll touch base with you on that.
We don't want to forget those tenants.
No.
But people, listen, bottom line is don't throw your money away. No, you can't afford, you can never afford it, but especially these days, you cannot afford to waste one penny. If you can't earn more money, well, you know what? If you can save money, what did Benjamin Franklin say? A penny saved is a penny earned.
True. Ladies and gentlemen, let's save all our pennies. You've heard from Mr. Scott Siskin, the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
And to take advantage of that $7,500 tax credit, the people have to take action because it's only lasting up to June 30th of 2009. So you folks, you think you're buying a home, this is the time to get that big tax credit to your advantage. Remember, the down payment is only 3.5%. It could be gifted money from family members. Seller can pay all your closing costs. So wake up, the interest rates are very low. And with practically now with no money from your pocket, if we structure that loan, you can become a proud homeowner, achieve the American dream, and with the rates are so low, it means that you will have an affordable mortgage payment. So if you're thinking of buying a home, let that thought be a foregone conclusion. Put it into motion immediately. Act today, not tomorrow, and get that free pre-approval. Go there and shop with confidence and get yourself into that beautiful home that you will have.
Tony, we got to go because we're going to get choked.
Bye-bye.
Let me give them.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.